Hello students. Now let us discuss question number 27. So it has said that when a force QE, an electric field is applied, that is Q into E force is applied, the toy car will have the velocity at after 1 second 6 meter per second and the initial velocity is 0, right? So first we'll see the force is equals to Q into E. That is equals to what? Mass into acceleration. So from this relation I can write acceleration equals to Q into E divided by M, right? Now if I use this particular formula that V equals to U plus AT, what I can write? I can write 6 equals to 0 plus QE upon M in place of acceleration upon M into T will be 1 second because time is 1, right? So what we have got? We have got the value of QE upon M is equals to 6. So this is nothing but this is the acceleration, that is 6 meter per second square, right? Now let us calculate the distance travelled in the first second. So now we are going to find out distance travelled in first second, right? So we'll denote it by S1. S1 will be equals to UT plus half a t square, right? What is the value of U? U is 0. So S1 equals to half into 6 into 1. So S1 is equals to 3 meter, right? Now what will happen? Now the direction of the electric field. So initially the electric field was along this direction. So the acceleration of the car is along this direction. Now it is being reversed, right? So now initial velocity, now U1 is equals to what? U1 is equals to 6 meter per second because this is the final velocity that we have obtained, right? Or let's write down as U dash is equals to 6 meter per second. Now the value of the acceleration will remain same but its direction will just get reversed. So now S2 will be equals to UT minus of half a t square, right? So this will be for t will be again 1 second. Now this is for what? This is for t equals to 1 second to 2 second, right? So the value of t will be 1 only. So S2 will be equals to 6 into 1 minus half into a, that is 6 again into 1 square, that is S2 will be 6 minus 3, that is 3 meter. Now S2 is along which direction? S2 is along opposite direction, right? So similarly after S2 what will get? S3 for time equals to 2 second to 3 second. So S3 will again be equal to 3 meter, right? Now just try to understand S1 is along one direction but S2 and S3 is along opposite direction. So what is the value of average velocity? So average velocity is equals to total displacement divided by total time, right? That is 3 upon 3, that is 1 meter per second. Because why I am taking total displacement to be 3 meter? Because this is 3 meter and this is 3 second. Because 3 meter it has went on one side, then again it came back, then again it came back to another 3 meter, right? So the total displacement is just 3 meter and the total time is 3 second. Now what about average speed? What about average speed? Average speed will be total distance divided by total time, right? So this will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 3, that is 3 meter per second, right? So the correct option is option 4.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.